Here's a rundown of my PhD interview experience at Oxford. I received my interview invite at the end of December and had 2 weeks to prepare. The interview was held online in January, but I made the trip down to Oxford to meet my potential supervisors that same day. The structure was a 5-minute presentation and approximately 30-minute Q&A. There were 7 interviewers and all were directors or professors in various medical science fields, so immunology, genetics, DNA repair, and diabetes. The interview started with my 5-minute presentation and there was a strict timer. Each interviewer took turns asking me about my presentation and a general PhD question, though I would say that most of it was a scientific discussion. I chose to present about my current research project at the time, which was humanizing the mouse T-cell receptor by genome engineering of mouse embryonic stem cells. Some of the questions I was asked about my presentation included: what are the therapeutic implications of humanizing the mouse TCR? MHC-HLA interaction is restricted. How would you overcome this? And this is one of the most complex ways I've seen someone humanize a mouse TCR. Do you think it's worth it, and why? There were a bunch more questions in between, but this was the general scope. In terms of generic PhD interview questions, they were scattered throughout, and I was asked, why did you decide to do a PhD when you've got what seems like a great job in biotech? What do you aspire to be after this PhD, and why this program? It then ended with any questions I had. I left the interview feeling both destroyed but mentally stimulated, which in hindsight was, I think, a good sign. And within a week, I received my offer to study my DPhil at Oxford.